Hey everyone, Trevor Bates here with PDS Equipment. Just want to take a few moments to break down the daily maintenance of your Milwaukee UJF6042 Mark II. Each machine is going to come with a bag of supplies, and it's going to come with your F200, which is your cleaning solution, as well as your cleaning sticks. It's going to come with some gloves, as well as a syringe for doing your nozzle washes. So today we're going to show you guys what we're going to do to keep your machine well maintained and last for a long time. The main things you need to know is the capping station, the wiper, and around the print heads every single day must be maintained and clean. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the machine and we're going to tell it we're wanting to do our daily cleaning. So the first step is go into menu, scroll down to maintenance, go into station, and select carriage out. So now we're going to clean our wipers and the capping station. After we hit carriage out, it's going to send your head to the left side of your machine, and we'll get over there here in a minute and clean around our print head. But first we're going to start with the wipers. With the wipers and the capping station, we use the black sticks. It's a more firm tip, so you can apply more pressure on the caps. What you're going to want to do is take your stick and dip it in the F200 solution. Then you'll come over to your wipers. Wipe this good and clean. You also have another wiper here in the back. Sometimes it makes it easier to flip it up and wipe it off. Just get them good and clean. The next thing I'm going to do is clean my caps. The main thing with the caps, these top seals. So you can see I'm going to take this stick and just go over the top of these seals on each one. So once we've got our wipers clean and our caps clean, I also want to talk about these pads in this machine. So there's two in here that need to be changed fairly regularly. This is your wiping pad, and when you order it, it will come with the whole assembly. All you will do is slide this out, throw it away, and pop in your new assembly. You also have the cap pad. You can order these at MilwaukeeInkjet.com, and these need to be changed regularly. So now we're going to step over here to around the print heads. The first thing I like to do is I like to get a lint-free cloth, and I like to clean all around the bottom of the carriage. And then we're going to take our sticks and we're going to get really close to the print heads and clean the print heads a little more in detail. So I'm going to take my cloth with my F200 solution. And I'm just going to dab it a little bit and get some F200 solution on that cloth. And this is what I'm going to use to clean around those print heads. So the main thing I'm worried about with the wipe is all this area in here, in between all these print heads and around them. We want to make sure this is kept very clean, because if over time, if this builds up, it's going to build more and more ink up. It's going to come onto your print heads. So what you'll do is take your cloth and just get this good and clean all around these print heads. So what I've done here now is I've dipped cleaning stick in the F200 solution. We're going to get a little closer to these print heads, and we're going to make sure that there's no buildup on these print heads every day. So with this stick, we're going to go down the side, the middle, and the other side. You're going to want to make sure to use 4 different cleaning sticks on this. We do not want to mix colors around these print heads. So all we're going to do is very carefully come right down the right side on the stainless portion, come down the middle, and then also the left side. And don't be afraid if you do see some ink buildup getting on these heads over time, to wipe that excess ink off. Be very careful doing this and don't make it a habit, but we do recommend wiping the ink off if you are seeing some buildup. So now that I've got my wipers clean, my caps clean, around the print heads clean, and very close to the print heads clean, all you're going to do is press completed. And that's going to send your carriage back over to the capping station. In this video, I also want to discuss nozzle washes. Nozzle washes are great. They allow your print heads to sit down in the cleaning F200, which will get all that excess buildup on your print heads. We recommend doing these 3 times a week. It's great maintenance for a lot of printing. So now we're going to go into the nozzle wash function. It's going to be very similar. We're going to go into menu, scroll down to maintenance, go into station, and scroll down to nozzle wash. So what the screen's telling us is wiper cleaning and fill the liquid. Make sure that your wiper is clean when doing this, and then we're going to take the dripper and drip this F200 onto the caps. So we've cleaned our wiper. Now we're going to take this and load it up, come over here into the capping station. You're simply going to fill each one of these grooves up. Should take around 2 syringe fulls. Once you get all of these filled, you will just press enter. It's going to send your carriage back over to the capping station. It's now going to ask us, how long do you want to do a nozzle wash? For 1 minute or up to 99 minutes? We often like to do 99 minutes and press enter. You can go home now at the end of the day and just allow those print heads to sit in this F200 for 99 minutes. Now if you're having issues with nozzles, at this point we can do an overnight wash. And how we would do that is we would come to the right side of the machine and we would hit the main power switch. So we've got our main power turned off and it's going to set overnight. The first thing to do the next morning is just come in, hit your main power switch, and power on your machine. So this concludes the maintenance video. Make sure you're always wearing your gloves and your safety goggles when doing all of this, because this ink can irritate you. If y'all have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call at PDS Equipment. And once again, I'm Trevor Bates. Also, you can order all of these supplies at MamakiInkjet.com. Give us a call. We appreciate your business.